Okay, got Zappo. I have never had these before. Sour blue raspberry and sour watermelon chews. Hopefully they taste good. I like fruit chews, so try the blue raspberry first. I expect it to be blue. It's kind of this weird pale color with blue inside. Okay, I expect it to be chewy too. It is not chewy. It is hard. Well, I guess it's a really fake blue raspberry flavor. I'm not I'm gonna finish it, but okay. Watermelon is at least the right color. Okay. Watermelon solid. I don't like the blue raspberry.